we're doing these tail lights right here for the first mod, and check it out. These are the stock ones. Look kind of basic and lame, so we want to put these ones out. They're smoked out. They're pretty beast. They're LEDs, and yeah. So we're gonna show you how to install it. To take them off, you have to unscrew these screws right here with a torque bit of T15 to get these little screws out. And then once you get them out, you just take it off. So right here, if you can see, these little things are gonna pop into hose behind this right here, and then as you can see, they just pop out. So don't think you're gonna break it. Like I think we just broke it. And yeah, so that's the harnesses right there inside. These are the things that you're gonna plug into right here. And yeah, so it's pretty basic. You just have to unscrew that, pull it out, and then take off the harnesses, all these plugs, and then plug it into the new stuff. And yeah, you're all good. But I'm really digging these lights. They look really nice, especially when the blinkers are on and when you put the hazards on. It just looks nice, and I like how it looks when you just walk by the car and you're able to see like a different type of tail light right there. It just looks nice to me. It's different than anyone else, and you could. So check it out, guys. You need to plug this one right here into thing. So you have to take out the bulbs. The bottom one on the harness that comes with the factory. You take the bulb off from the bottom one. You're supposed to keep this one on the. Yeah. You take one off from the bottom one. Keep the middle one. That's right there. You keep it, and then you use that one for the reverse light, and then you on the top one you also plug it into this one right here.
Yeah, sure.
Little easy plug in, but you could just leave it on. You guys don't have to take it off at all. It's just gonna be for the reverse light. And then you just have to open that up right there. Plug this one in too. Plug that one in. And then when you put it in, you just have to pop them in these holes, the same holes that I came out with. The regular one. Just pop them in just like that. Boom.